Hello, my name is Princess Ugochukwu, and today I'm going to be presenting my Operating Systems Project 2. My Project 2 is on utilizing process management techniques to show media on mobile devices. So, I initially created a slideshow presentation to best represent my project, just because of the way that it compiled out and just so that you could see um, an initial view on everything that I did for my project. So, for the first part, I'm going to be showing you the high level introduction of my app. So, I created an Android Studio app, right, that was meant to compile all the media that is on like an individual's Android Studio device and put it in one location while using like the manager process to monitor the mobile application and also to keep like the users aware of the amount of storage that is being consumed by each media file. So that means, for example, I like to use the Netflix example for my example. With Netflix now, they give you the ability to record and download movies from Netflix, right, onto your device. So that means that you can stream these movies offline or without any kind of Wi Fi or internet connection. But what people fail to realize is that these Netflix apps take up so much storage space. So, this high level app that I've tried to create is meant to put all these movies that are being downloaded from Netflix into one central location on your device and so that it will also be accessible. This goes for any videos that you might record, any voice recordings, any form of media would be going to this one central location, and you would also be able to see how much space is being utilized in this um like from each video or each piece of media. So, the overall design architecture, I designed it in Android Studios 4.0. Um, and so all I really did was I set up a design and created one simple button for the user to click, which will retrieve all the media files that are on the device. And I wanted it to be so simple and convenient for my users so they would not have to figure out too many things that are going on. Plus, on top of that, when you're loading media onto any device, it does tend to slow down the device. So if the initial design of what I want is simple, that gives more room for storage for their actual media and for the purpose of the app. So then the second thing is the system will call to obtain and organize media usage of each file. So every time a new media file is found on the device, it will automatically add it to this one central location and it will organize it from largest file to smallest file. Also in this area, I wanted you to be able to delete files off the device and they would be permanently gone. And then the third is to monitor the function displays. So, the OS level functionalities, APIs, and system calls. The system will display media files on the device like I explained before, and it's going to inform the user of the storage space that this media takes up. The mobile app, with the APIs related to communication in client server systems. So, last but not least, this is just a small demo of my media file, right? And this is how it looks in the initial layout and how everything, this is the source code that I wrote in the back. Sadly, I was not able to get my actual app to run, but I hope that I was able to best explain kind of what I wanted the app to do and what I needed it to do. Thank you very much.